Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's been buzzing around. Where are the Trump watches made? If you've seen those flashy gold timepieces branded with Donald Trump's name, you might be curious about their origins. Let's dive right in and uncover the facts. First off, what exactly are Trump watches? They're a line of luxury watches endorsed by former President Donald Trump, often marketed as symbols of success and American pride. But here's the twist. Despite the patriotic branding, reports from reliable sources like the New York Times and Forbes indicate that these watches are primarily manufactured in China. Yeah, you heard that right. While Trump has been vocal about Made in America initiatives, his own watch line seems to follow global manufacturing trends to keep costs down. So, why China? Well, it's all about production efficiency. China has a massive watchmaking industry with advanced factories that can produce high-quality items at a fraction of the cost compared to the US. According to product disclosures and import records, the watches are assembled in facilities in places like Shenzhen, known for its electronics and manufacturing prowess. But this raises some interesting questions. Is there a conflict between the America First message and outsourcing production? Some critics argue it highlights the complexities of global trade, where even big brands cut corners for affordability. Now, let's talk quality. Trump watches are often made with materials like stainless steel and sapphire crystal, which are sourced internationally. While they're not exactly Swiss-made luxury, they do offer a mix of style and functionality. However, if you're buying one, it's worth noting potential issues like warranty and authenticity. Always check for official seals. In conclusion, while Trump watches embody a bold, entrepreneurial spirit, their manufacturing roots are firmly in China. This isn't unusual in the industry, but it's a reminder to look beyond the branding. If you're thinking about picking one up, do your research first. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into consumer products. What's your take on this? Drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going.